Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria. I am so excited to be back. As you can see, I do have a different background. I recently moved. I didn't post this past Wednesday because I was packing and I was settling in, but I am ready to get back to crafting. I really missed you guys. And for today's video, I have 3 rustic farmhouse Christmas DIYs. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. For this DIY, I will be using this Dollar Tree bamboo cutting board and some poster sticker letters. The one I'm using are from Walmart, but Dollar Tree carries similar ones you can use instead. I'm going to I'm going to put the word Noel at the bottom.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light.
The next Dollar Tree item I will be using is this little mini wreath. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I will be using these clear hooks that I picked up from Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to hang my wreath from this. You can totally glue the wreath to the bamboo board, but I decided not to. This wreath has these long stems. I will be removing them. I felt like with them on it, the wreath was too big for the board, so that's why I decided to remove them. I also moved some leaves around just to make a little space so I can add a bow. The bow that I will be using is this bow. I got this in a pack from Dollar General. To add it to my wreath, I will be using the same tie it has and just tie it to the back. Make a little knot, or you can even twist it. I think these are like twisty ties or zip ties, something like that. And look how cute and pretty this turned out. I did not have to use any paint for this DIY, so I absolutely love how this turned out. And you guys know I like making my videos as sets, so in order for this to match the rest of my set, I will be adding these little pine cones that I already had. My next DIY, I will be using 2 of the Dollar Tree mini trees. I'm going to put these together. I know there's several different ways you can make these look fuller, but I decided to try this one this year. Like last year I did one and I added garland around it, but this year I decided to put 2 of them together. So I'm going to start off by spreading all the branches to the tree to one side, like only half of it, like half of the half. Anyways, I'm going to repeat the same process to the other tree, so like that when I put them together it's gonna make one, and look how full this looks already. To put them together, I'm going to use a piece of juice string, but I do have to remove these little bottom pieces off. I'm going to tie it and use an extra piece of garland tie to cover the juice string. For the stand, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood box. I'm only using the bottom and I'm going to paint this using my Waverly Antique Wax. The next thing I will be using is a piece of this floral foam. I'm going to cut it to a square so it can fit inside the box. Using hot glue, I'm going to secure it inside the box. Now I'm going to add my tree, but I'm adding a whole bunch of glue to the top. Then I'm going to use the little rods that the Dollar Tree has to stick them in there. If you want to make this more sturdy, you can add some rocks to this. I am not, since I'm not adding nothing heavy. To decorate my tree, I'm using this Pinecone Garland that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I think it's like a gold, silver, I'm not sure, but it's not gold or silver. It's this pretty color. I'm going to just wrap it around the whole tree, and I did use a whole garland. To add some berries to my tree, I will be using this berry pig that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the small little stems that can't be removed, and then for the rest I'm going to cut them. Like that, I'm going to add the small ones at the top and the bigger ones at the bottom. I didn't glue them or tie them. All I did was just stick them in there. They did stay since they have the garland around, and I tried to just stick them in to where they didn't fall. To decorate this some more, I'm using these little cute ornaments. These are from Walmart. These are so cute, and I wanted to use these on this little mini Dollar Tree. These are perfect for that. But Dollar Tree does carry things you can do and use for ornaments. For my tree topper, I will be using another of the Dollar General bows. These come like 6 in a pack for $1. And these are so cute. And look how beautiful this little mini tree turned out. For my next DIY, I will be using some Dollar Tree incense stick holders. I got these when they were on sale for 25 cents. Well, I don't know why they were on sale on my Dollar Tree, but they were 25 cents, and I am using 2. I am also using 4 Jenga blocks, and I'm going to start off by painting the Jenga blocks using black acrylic paint. For the basket, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood crate or box or square and some jumbo popsicle sticks. I will be cutting them to the size of the crate. Then I'm going to glue them. The next thing I will be doing is painting the box using my Waverly Antique Wax. Now I'm going to put it together, so I am going to start off by gluing the Jenga block pieces together, or 2 of them. Then I'm going to glue them to the incense stick, and I'm going to repeat that to the other 2 Jenga blocks. Since I'm not adding anything heavy to my sled, I'm only using hot glue, but you can use wood glue or a heavier duty glue. The next thing I will be doing is just gluing the box on top. To decorate my sled, I will be using another mini Dollar Tree wreath, but to fill it in more, I'm using a piece of garland tie and an LED candle. But first I'm going to put the mini wreath to the LED candle, then add it to my sled. The last thing I will be doing is adding the leftover little pieces that I removed from my first DIY mini wreath. Then I'm going to add some pine cones to match the rest of my DIYs. And that is it for this beautiful sled. It turned out beautiful and it was so easy and simple to make. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down which one was your favorite one down in the comment section. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps my channel. Also, don't forget to turn off the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. Until next time, bye.